welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, let me adjust my camera here. Boy, have I got something special for you. I've got a crunchy, crispy, tasty breakfast treat. All right, so all you're gonna need for this recipe right here are some eggs, some cheese. I got a little tri-blend of cheese right here. Sriracha, this is gonna be vital. This is key. You need to have sriracha in this because I promise you, the way it makes this taste is phenomenal. Some cilantro, some cooking spray, and the main secret ingredient is rice paper. This is vital because this is what makes it the crispy, tasty treat. Actually, all of it does, but this is something I promise you you're gonna love, and you need to cook it in the order that I'm gonna show you right now because this rice paper will wanna rise up on you. But I'm gonna show you a trick that's almost like glue, but we're not gonna use a lot of this. It's just gonna be enough to hold this rice paper down and put everything inside of it. It's gonna make you feel so good. You're gonna feel like you're cheating on your diet right now, but I promise you, you aren't because it's very low carb. We got some vegetables in there. We got great eggs with the great protein that you need. So here we go. We're gonna move over to the stove. Take all our ingredients over here and we begin the process. I'm gonna take 2 eggs because I already have a little bit of an egg in here from cooking this earlier. So I won't use all of that because you don't wanna overdo it with eggs. So 2 eggs is fine. We're gonna go ahead and mix these up. Get this oven going. Okay, take a little bit of our pan cooking spray. Put it in there. Now here's what I'm telling you the order. We're gonna take our cheese and just put however much you want, but we want to keep this relatively low fat. So we're going to take a little bit of cheese and put it on the outside because you know how good cheese is when it burns up. So that's one of the reasons we're putting cheese on the outside. But another reason is to hold this rice paper down because this rice paper is going to want to rise up on you when you put it in your skillet like this. So we're going to put that in there and don't want to burn your hands, but see that? It's going to hold it down. Then we're going to take our eggs and pour it over top of the rice paper, just like that. And then we get some cilantro. Take the cilantro as much as you want. I love cilantro. I'm gonna put a lot in here. And a little bit of our sriracha. Oh, gotta open it up first. Just like that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let this cook. I'll bring you over here and show you what I got going on. So this egg is escaped a little bit, but that's totally fine. I can push it back on. But you see the rice paper cooking there, the cheese under it. How beautiful does that look? So I'm going to scoop this egg back on. Oh, this is perfect. So this rice paper is going to brown up for you along with the cheese on the outside. And then all we're going to do is fold this over in half like a taco. So it depends on how brown you want it. This is getting where I want it here. Okay. So we're going to flip this over just like that. Oh, see that cheese on the outside? Got a little bit of egg going there. That's okay. Totally fine. And if I want, I can do a little flippy flip. Just like that. How beautiful does that look? So this is done. I'm going to take a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, just a touch. Put that on the outside of that. Then we're going to bring this over here. Get our plate. Look at that. Look at this. Let me show you. How beautiful does that look? It's basically a taco, a breakfast taco. Take this. Cut in half. And eat it. Look at that. Bon appetit. Listen. So good. The cheese on the outside, the eggs on the inside, the rice paper holds it together. The cilantro just adds so much goodness and flavor. Humans crave crunchiness, saltiness, fattiness. All that's in here. All that's in here. Salt, fat, crunchy. Putting the cheese on the outside is vital. Don't put the cheese on the inside, I'm telling you. So look, if you like these recipes, just subscribe to the channel. Comment below, tell me what you want to see. Share it with a friend, man. Set your notifications. I'm going to keep bringing you great stuff. Make it a great day. What's up?